Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys the fuse, how to find locate the fuse for windshield wipers. Okay, windshield wiper motor on Mercedes E-Class. W211. So this one will be the E-Class, guys, from 2003 all the way until 2009, I believe. So let me show you now. Our wipers do not work. It could be a switch, it could be fuse, it could be motor, right? But always check the fuse first, because that's the cheapest thing you can do, easiest to do as well. Okay, you can see wipers are not functioning. So stay with us, we're gonna show you which fuse it is and if that fixes the problem for our vehicle here at the shop. Alright guys, so we'll need to open the hood. Okay, let me show you where the fuse now is. Okay, this is the fuse box right here. So in order to remove it, guys, this is the cover. You need to swipe this one in towards to unlock, and there should be one more here that's broken. Ours is broken, somebody messed with it. Okay, and you're just going to pull, okay, the cover out of there. Okay, now we can get to the fuses. Okay, so once you open the box, the very last fuse, 40 amp fuse in our case, okay, is the one, okay, for the windshield wipers. Okay, let me show you. This one is completely blown. So we're going to replace it with a new one. Okay, and sometimes there is a reason why it's blown. Maybe the motor is getting wore out on the wipers. Maybe it was just a little bit of humidity or something like that. Okay, so let's check if they're going to work again now. Okay, and in our case, they don't. Okay, so in our case, guys, it looks like it's the switch. When you move it around a little bit, okay, it starts working. So maybe it's a bad switch that caused the windshield wipers fuse to burn. So there is obviously a reason for that. So that will be, guys, the video. We show you how to check the fuse, which fuse it is. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.